what is SBLC used for? Is your supplier asking for standby letter of credit to assure the payment against the supplied goods? So, what is standby letter of credit and what it is used for? A standby letter of credit is a guarantee that is made by a bank on behalf of a client, which ensures payment will be made even if their client cannot fulfill the payment due to bankruptcy or company shutdown. SBLC is used to prove the buyer's credit quality and the ability to make payment. SBLC is usually seen as a sign of good faith. SBLC gives assurance to the supplier that, in the case of any default by the buyer, they will get paid for the supplied goods or services by the buyer's bank, as stated in the issued SBLC. So, standby LCs are used to promote confidence between buyers and sellers. How to get SBLC? In order to obtain a standby letter of credit, a buyer has to contact a bank and establish their creditworthiness. The bank may ask for additional collateral or 100% margin money based on the required SBLC value. Once the buyer fulfills all the conditions, then the bank deems them fit for receiving the credit and proceeds forward to the next step. If you don't have good credit score, or you don't have enough credit lines available with your bank, or you don't have enough cash funds to provide us 100% cash margin, then you can contact us with your SBLC request. We can provide SBLC MT760 from our own European bank accounts at zero collateral. Apply now by clicking the link given in the description box. We can structure your SBLC transaction and get the SBLC issued from European banks. For more info, email us support@importletterofcredit.com. Call us 97145519699. Phone or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487761. Visit www.importletterofcredit.com.